Welcome back. So we have already analyzed our data on the basis of if or statement. So if any of the conditions meet, please give us this kind of value. That is what we have done so far. But now we are here in a different kind of scenario. And the scenario is if age of the customer is less than 30 and their annual income is more than $60,000, higher than $60,000, we would classify them as high potential customers. Otherwise, we will classify them as low potential customers. So in the past, in the last lectures, we were doing OR statements that if any of the condition meets. But here, you have to meet two conditions at the same time. The age should be less than 30 and the annual income should be higher than $60,000. So how do we do that? Let's start. So I would say equals and then and. So it's an AND statement. We want two conditions to be met, two or more conditions to be met. So rather than OR, it's an AND statement. So the first argument is that the age should be less than 30, comma. The second argument is that the annual income should be greater than $60,000. I would say greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to, I would say equals as well. I'll close the brackets now because I'm closing the conditions here. I will say close the brackets here. So the conditions are if age is less than 30 and the income is higher than $60,000, classify them as high potential customers, or otherwise classify them as low potential customers. Close the brackets, and here you go. Right, so the first one is low potential customer. No problem. Let's copy and paste that to all of the cells below. And now here we have all the initial customers are classified as low. Why? Let's check that. The first one is aged 40 years. So out of question. The second one 40, 53, 41, 41. So all of these questions customers are out of the question. So if we go to row number 8, our customer is only 29 years old, but his annual income is only $30,000. So again, he will not be classified as high potential customer as he is only meeting one of the conditions. But now let's move to the row number 11. This customer age is only 19 years and he is also earning $70,000 a month, a year, which means that this qualifies our both of conditions and the potential of our sales is high here. Same goes in the next column, that is 27 years and more than 60,000, actually 70,000. So I would say that the potential is also high here. So this way you can classify your you can categorize your data into different categories based on the multiple conditions.